It's water gardening season, let's take a tour. These are our hardy water lilies. They help by shading and cooling the water. They reduce algae buildup and they give shelter for the fish and something to sit on for your frog friends. These are our floating pond plants, and they are fantastic as well for creating a cooler water temperature. They will cover the surface, help reduce algae buildup, and they absorb the nutrients through their little roots. So they're great and really easy to plant. These are the oxygenating plants, and these ones you submerge. They add oxygen to the water, give a habitat for your fish, and they're very fast growing, so you kind of have to keep an eye on these ones. These are our marginal plants. We have them in groupings, or you can buy the marginal plants separately, and they are used to soften the pond's edge. It's lovely to get a grouping of different marginals, and it gives you that natural pond feel. And we have everything to maintain and build and show off your pond area. And these are some of our little floaters. So from the water ferns to the frog bits, those are awesome coverage for your pond. So when you're coming in to order your pond plants, our pond plant supplies are coming in at a slower pace than we'd like. So just be patient and know that they are going to come in.